Alright, I've got Brianna and Nyla, and they are going to show us how to make a rainbow loom bracelet. And what is this called, girls?
Triple single.
Okay, the triple single. And as they show us how to make this bracelet, this is their finished product, they are going to explain the geometry involved in the bracelet as well. Alright, girls.
Okay. So first you gotta make sure it's like this. So it makes it like the red arrow is facing away from you, and it should also make a U. Then you lay out your first 3 rubber bands, and they're also triangles. They also look like triangles because they're all two of them are the same, and 2 of them are the same too. And they're also quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides, and they're parallelograms because they have 2 parallel sets of lines, and they're polygons.
Okay.
In one you could do them all crooked like triangles, or you can make them rectangles like mine. I thought this was easier. She thought that was easier. So she's going to show you the triangle, and that's how you set up the triangle, and this is how I set up the rectangle.
Okay. So same style of bracelet, 2 different ways to do it.
Yeah, because hers is called like the pictures pipes.
Well, she's working on that now. Can you tell me about some of the geometry you've got going on in here?
In mine, I have rectangles, which are also parallelograms and quadrilaterals.
Okay.
And they have parallel sides, like 2 of them. And they're quadrilaterals because they have 4 sides.
Good. And it looks like your rectangles are parallel with each other.
Yeah.
Right? And then these lines are parallel with each other. And then do you know what it's called how these lines going vertically cross these lines going horizontally?
Perpendicular.
Very good. Perpendicular lines. And they're creating what kind of angles here?
Right.
Right angles. Good. 90-degree right angles. All right. All kinds of geometry. And Brianna, you said you're going to do yours using triangles?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of triangles is she going to use? Do you know, Nyla?
So if it's like this, I think it would be scalene, or no, it was isosceles.
Isosceles.
Okay. So there's going to be 2 sides the same and 1 side different?
Yeah.
Okay. I've seen one of those today.
And then you start adding these. They're supposed to look like this, but then if you're turning around to you, it looks like a isosceles triangle because it has obtuse angles.
Good. Isosceles obtuse.
And then you turn it around and you're going to start hooking.
You want to make sure they don't look like U's. They should look like upside down U's or horseshoes is what I say.
And then this, whenever you put the first one on, it turns into a triangle. And I think it's like probably still an obtuse triangle, a isosceles triangle.
It's almost an equilateral triangle, isn't it?
Yeah.
It almost stretches it up to an equilateral. Alright, so then you keep hooking it.
With the rectangle one, the way you want to hook is they will be like all like this, and you want to grab the bottom, like you go under the black one or whatever color you use, and you pull it up to the one above it, and they would stay the same rectangles, but the first one would be a non-polygon because of the curves.
Oh, okay, I see that. Love the vocabulary, girls.
And you keep on hooking it till you reach the bottom, the top.
Make sure you give him some feedback on why you gave him those scores. Jessica, are you ready to video next? Yeah. Are you working with Katiana? Yeah.
I'm almost done. And then whenever you're done, you'll get ready to take it off.
But there's a way to take it off before, like at the top. You want to take all of them and put them to the middle, so it wouldn't mess up. And you want to take it off real slow, because if you take it off too fast, it would probably mess up. Make sure you get all of it, or it will mess up.
And if you're doing a triple single, since I'm done, you take it all the way to the top.
Let me see those shapes at the bottom there, Brie. What kind of shape is that? Let's count the sides. Let's classify it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is that?
Probably a hexagon.
Yeah, is it regular or irregular?
Irregular.
Is it irregular hexagon? Good. Okay, keep going.
See, it starts to form, and you want to take your C-clip, whatever type of clip you're using, and you want to have your hook to grab all the rubber bands on that one part, and to add it, and then add it to the clip. If you have a small one, you want to put it on slow, like one at a time.
And then if you're doing the triple single with the bars not lined up, you take the last 3 of them and put them on the middle one.
Stand.
That's the one on top. Kind of messed up. And then you grab the other side and put it on that one. And then you slip it through, and then you grab a rubber band. A rubber band. Then you slide it through, and you carefully take it off. And that's what it looks like.
Oh, cool. And you've even got some parallel lines going on in there, don't you?
Yeah.
A lot of the bracelets you can't see the geometry once it's made. You can only see it on the loom. But these, you can see the horizontal parallel lines. And in this one, you can see the vertical parallel lines. Very cool. Okay, is there anything else you girls want to say about these?
It might be challenging once you first do it, but you never give up.
And make sure that you take your time when you're taking it off, because I messed up on this one.
And what's our big word that we've been talking about for never give up?
Persevere.
Persevere. All right. Thank you, ladies.